In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can connect a GoDaddy domain to Squarespace. First, open up Squarespace, then your website, select settings, and here we'll go into domains and email, and then choose domains. Once you click on domains, then choose use the domain I own. Now open up GoDaddy, click on your name, then select my products. From here, we will find the domain which we want to use. So just scroll down and click on DNS. Once you select DNS, you want to copy your domain name right here. Go back to Squarespace, paste it, and click on the next arrow. So it's going to detect when this was registered, and you can connect the domain and continue to manage it separately, or you can transfer it over to Squarespace. I'm just going to click on connect domain, and we will just click on use DNS records. The provider, we will leave it as GoDaddy, and click on connect domain. And right here, we're going to get a new pop-up, and we just want to click on connect. So once you click on connect, we will wait for this to complete. You have successfully connected it, connection in progress. So it is going to be connecting to our site. If we click on continue here, then basically it is going to automatically do it for us. So these are going to be the settings. So it is automatic. Like I said, it can take up to 48 hours to connect, but once this is done, then it is going to show as verified. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.